What is this thing? I'll tell you what, I had no idea until I got to messing with it, and this thing is great. Effectively, I think it's doing three things really well, but the first of which is just the packaging. Stage is crushing. We've reviewed a few of their products, and I gotta say, they make some great stuff. From the moment we took this out of the package, right? You've got your typical like slide, and then inside you've got this nice cardboard package, which is gonna hold the microphone. In this case, I've already got it in front of me, but it was packaged exceptionally well. And I always like to see that in a product. And it tells you everything we've got inside. You've got a USB-C, love that. You've got a 3.5 millimeter aux cable built in. You've got a carrying bag, and you've got this, the Singfree, the Stage Singfree. And we're going to talk about exactly what this is here in a minute and what it can do. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at it maybe a little bit closer. This guy right here, the RGB lights on the side, you have pretty much control over what they look like. There's a little button on the bottom. There's 4 options on the bottom. You can plug in some headphones to monitor. You can plug in a 3.5 mil cable to put music into it. It's USB-C rechargeable, and this button down here, which actually would let it function like a really nice looking nightlight if you wanted to just kind of set it down beside your bed. So what else can you do with this thing? Well, you can talk into it, right? That's kind of cool. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining my Amazon talk. No, but really, it functions well, I guess, as a microphone. If you're trying to steal the show, maybe you're the best man at a wedding and you really want to hit it home. But you've also got a bunch of options here right on the device itself. So we can stream music to this device. Not gonna karaoke, but still, you can see how already it's a speaker too that you can talk into simultaneously, and that's where that feature comes in with some of these buttons down here on the side. One of them being it's got like a vocal drop, so
Voice canceling.
you can hear how Billy Joel just got a little bit quieter. So now I can actually sing right over a Billy Joel song and use this like a
Voice
karaoke
back.
mic. So beyond that cool feature, while you're using it that way, you can also set this up to go over the FM radio frequency. So you could effectively build your own karaoke studio with just 1 or 2 of these. You can duet with them as well if you have 2 of them and someone that wants to sing along with you. So you could set it up that way and you could do like a proper karaoke duet, or you could just be home by yourself jamming out to Billy Joel or whoever your favorite artist might be. And it has a couple of different functions to it. This kind of echoey reverb is the karaoke function. You can change that.
Professional.
Now it's slightly adjusting the pitch of my voice. I'm getting a little bit more treble. Sounds like I'm at a conference.
Speech.
The speech function kind of takes my voice and I think adds a little bit more bass to it. I don't know how well this is coming over on my microphone, but it sounds really nice.
Original sound.
And then you could use the original sound, and you can combine any of those features with the karaoke function as well. So if we really want to, yep, if we really wanted to jam out, we could change and we could add a little bit of reverb backing to any of the things that you want to sing along with. I imagine this would be great for, I can't stop talking into it. I imagine this would be outstanding for get-togethers, if you have kids. I mean, it has everything built in. Like I said, the connection modes, I think Bluetooth was the easiest to set up right out of the box. I just paired it with my MacBook, and I'm able to stream and use it almost like a Bluetooth speaker. And then if I need to pay, hey kids, come in for dinner, you could use it that way as well. A lot of different options built right into the device. So let's just cover, I want to make sure I cover some of the details that come along with this. So you can turn the volume up and down, you can skip tracks, you can adjust obviously you can turn the power on and off. We can switch the sound effects, which we did.
Karaoke.
Yep, karaoke mode, which that's going to give you a little bit more of that reverb. You can turn on the FM transmitter if you want. This will sync with like 3 different FM stations. So like I said earlier, you could actually be talking over the FM radio in your car or at home. You can use it to connect or disconnect with Bluetooth devices. And of course, you can use it to change the light function, which is also kind of, I mean, like, that's attention getting right there, right? This thing is nice looking. It's well built. I love the stage logo on it. It's really well made. It feels good in the hands. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you never have to worry about batteries. Stage, you knocked it out of the park with this. I hope to be hearing all of your karaoke soon, but enjoy this Singfree product from Stage.